My name is Ryan Delaney, and I'm a Technical Marketing Manager at FireEye. In this video, I'll be highlighting the Host Remediation module for FireEye Endpoint Security. Host Remediation extends the existing live response functionality in FireEye Endpoint Security, which includes acquisitions and enterprise search, by adding secure command line access to managed hosts directly from the web console, whether they are on or off the corporate network. The Host Remediation module empowers security administrators to perform investigations or remediation actions in real time, independently of SOC or desktop support teams, by providing the ability to execute native operating system commands, such as listing and deleting files, or displaying running processes. The Host Remediation module also supports the execution of batch and PowerShell scripts in scenarios where multiple commands are required, or you want to ensure accuracy and repeatability. Additionally, at the end of a host remediation session, a transcript of the session is preserved for auditing purposes, which includes details about the commands executed on the endpoint, their output, session initiation and end time, and the user who initiated the remote session. Let's take a look at a few examples of how the Host Remediation module can be used to facilitate investigations and remediations. In this first example, suspicious activity has triggered some alerts in the FireEye Endpoint Security console, and as a security analyst, I want to investigate further. During the course of my investigation, I've decided I want to perform a packet capture and make sure this device is not communicating with the C2 server or otherwise exfiltrating data. Normally, I would have to involve the user through a remote sharing session and deploy a third-party packet capture tool like Wireshark or TCP dump, which only slows down my investigation. With the Host Remediation module, I don't have to rely on the end user or any third-party tools, and instead I can use the native packet monitor tool from the command line to get the information I need for my investigation. In order to do that from the FireEye Endpoint Security dashboard, I'll navigate to Modules and Host Remediation, select my host, and click Connect. Once connected, I can enable packet capturing, wait a few minutes to make sure I collect enough data, stop the packet capturing, format it for analysis, and then review the output. In this second example, I'm going to run a tool called Sig Check against all the running processes on my host to look for any suspicious activity. Since there are over 100 processes running on my host, I will use a PowerShell script to perform this action so I don't have to repeat the command manually for every single process. Fortunately, the Host Remediation module allows you to upload a script for this exact reason. I've already written the script, so all I need to do from the FireEye Endpoint Security dashboard is navigate to Modules and Host Remediation, select my host, and click Connect. Once connected, I can just drag my script in and click Upload and Execute. When my script is complete, I can review the results and check for any suspicious processes. In this last example, I'll use the Host Remediation module to apply the latest Microsoft updates and patches to a system that I'm investigating. From the FireEye Endpoint Security dashboard, I'll navigate to Modules and Host Remediation, select my host, and click Connect. Once I've connected, I can check if any updates are available. As you can see here, numerous security updates are available, including one that removes Adobe Flash, which is no longer supported and represents a security risk. I'll go ahead and just choose that update to install for now. Now that the update is complete, if I recheck for updates, you'll see the Adobe Flash update is no longer listed, which means it has been successfully applied. In this video, I've demonstrated 3 different use cases for the Host Remediation module. In the first example, I demonstrated how to use the Host Remediation module to collect additional information from a host without relying on the user. In the second example, I demonstrated how to upload and use a script within the Host Remediation module. And in the third example, I demonstrated applying Microsoft updates to ensure the host was fully patched. By installing the Host Remediation module, which is available at no additional charge to FireEye endpoint security customers in the FireEye market, you'll be able to leverage the functionality we've discussed today for your own investigation and remediation activities. Thank you for watching, and I encourage you to visit the FireEye market for this and other modules for FireEye endpoint security.